Are you looking for a simple and effective way to boost your overall health and well-being? Look no further than turmeric and olive oil. In this video, we'll be discussing the best way to take turmeric and mix it with olive oil, as well as the many benefits that this powerful combination can provide. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Practical Health Tips for more practical and actionable health tips. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for its medicinal properties. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body and protect against a wide range of health conditions. Olive oil is also a well-known health food that has been used for centuries in Mediterranean cultures. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels. Olive oil also contains polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. When combined, turmeric and olive oil can provide even more health benefits. In this video, we'll be discussing the best way to take turmeric and mix it with olive oil, as well as the many benefits that this powerful combination can provide. The best way to take turmeric, mix it with olive oil. When it comes to taking turmeric and mixing it with olive oil, the best way is to consume it in its raw form. This is because heat can damage the beneficial compounds found in turmeric, reducing its effectiveness. When turmeric is cooked or heated, curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, can break down and become less effective. How to take raw turmeric and mix it with olive oil rightly. To take raw turmeric, you can either grate it or blend it into a fine powder. Then, mix it with a high-quality extra virgin olive oil, and consume it immediately. It's best to take it on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. What happens when you take raw turmeric and mix it with olive oil? When you take raw turmeric mixed with olive oil, the curcumin found in turmeric is more easily absorbed by the body. This is because the fat-soluble curcumin binds to the fat molecules in the olive oil, allowing it to be more easily absorbed by the body. Benefits of turmeric and olive oil. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and when combined with olive oil, it can provide even more benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory agent, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This is especially beneficial for those who suffer from chronic conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and autoimmune disorders. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect against free radical damage and protect a wide range of health conditions. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats found in olive oil have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels. Anti-cancer properties. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Brain health. Olive oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve brain function and protect against cognitive decline. Some mistakes many people do with turmeric: mix it with olive oil. Many people make the mistake of cooking turmeric with olive oil, which can damage the beneficial compounds found in turmeric and reduce its effectiveness. Additionally, many people use low-quality olive oil when mixing with turmeric, which can not only reduce the effectiveness of the turmeric, but also can be harmful to your health. It's important to use high-quality, extra virgin olive oil when mixing with turmeric. Another mistake people make is not consuming turmeric and olive oil in the right quantity. Consuming too much turmeric can lead to stomach upset or other side effects. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for your individual needs. In conclusion, turmeric and olive oil can be a powerful combination for boosting overall health and well-being. By consuming raw turmeric mixed with high-quality extra virgin olive oil, you can take advantage of the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of both. Remember, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more practical and actionable health tips. Thank you for watching.